Alright, so boom. This is my 2001 Mustang. As you can see, the paint is not looking too good right now. It's faded almost everywhere on the car, but it still runs. But it ain't got no AC, bro. Man, this compressor just decided to lock up on me one day. And since that day, I just been rolling down my windows. If they even work. So you already know I be sweating in that bitch. And I'm in Texas. So you already know how hot it gets, bro. When it's humid, it gets even worse. And on top of that, it's a 3.8 liter V6. But I mean, at least it's a stick shift. And yeah, I'll admit, my car is older than me. This thing is 24 years old, and I'm 19. The rims on this thing, they've seen better days. I did get some new rims and tires for the car, but I haven't gotten around to putting them on yet. I did buy these to try putting them on myself, but I ended up messing up the tire. I heard it was dangerous to drive on these, and I didn't know if that was true or not, so I just played it safe. I'm not gonna use them. My mom said to take it to a professional, but of course I wanted to do it myself, and I ended up messing up a brand new tire. So I just wasted like $250 for no reason. At least I can use it for this, I guess. Engine swap coming soon. Let me know if y'all want to see that. Bro, why would I even do that? It already has a supercharged V8 in it. I'm good. This thing is already fast.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Thankfully, the brakes still work though. I haven't done much to the car. I've only done the radio, the battery, because the one that came with the car when I bought it stopped working. Also did the big three, as you can see right here. If you don't know what that is, it's basically just upgrading 3 important wires in the car's charging system to thicker ones, so the electricity flows better and the voltage stays strong. So like if you added a sound system to your car, this would help you out. And the rims and tires, but they're still not on the car yet. Oh, and also a short throw shifter from LMR. And I do have plans for this car. Obviously, is to get it painted, replace the suspension, and install some coilovers, and also engine swap like I mentioned earlier. Can't forget the inside as well. I need to replace all these panels that kind of broke over time, and I also want to wrap the headliner with suede and maybe starlights too. That'll look cool. Pretty much I just want to have a nice little street car I can go around with and cruise on the highway or something, or go to meets. Pretty much just document my day-to-day life or what I do to my car, and maybe you'll learn something from this if you got a Mustang too, or just ProjectCar in general. Also, if you're wondering what I used to record this video, I used the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. You could get away with having steady hands and feet, but if you want that extra smoothness in the video, you could get this. By the way, this is not a paid advertisement or anything like that. I'm just simply showing you what I used to make this video. Also, everything I show you can get from Amazon. And this is the Zenvo, I don't know how to say it, but the Zenvo Pro Lens Kit. It has a wide angle lens and another one for close-up shots. What I used to record the audio was these little lav mics right here. If any of you watching have been wanting to make a video, you could just get you a microphone and a lens kit, and bro, just go for it. Make a video, upload it. If you've been wanting to start making videos, take this as a sign right here. Go make a video, anything. Just record something. Get comfortable with the camera. Anything you gotta do. Hello? This thing on? You know, I think it's time I introduce myself, not just my car. Welcome to the channel, Project Rigo. Also, like, what's up with the hoodie, bro? I'm trying to like ease into it. As I get more confident on the camera, I'll take it off. My first video, bro. Alright, cut me some slack. Also, I'm not really sure how to hold the mic. I don't know, but I'll figure it out as I go. And what y'all think about my drawing? It's a Mustang. The whole reason I'm doing this is because I want to try something new and like step out of my zone, my comfort zone. So I thought, you know, why not give it a shot? I'm also showing you guys me learning how to do this YouTube stuff. But like in terms of what I want to do with the channel, I just want to build my car and show you guys the process. I might just become famous, bro. Maybe. But if you found this video interesting or something, subscribe, bro. Like all that shit. It'll motivate me, I guess. Drop a comment down below too. Let me know what you think about my car. Hey, even if you just watch the video, thank you. Even just taking time out of your day to watch my video, that means a lot. I know it doesn't sound like it, because I sound, you know, I still appreciate it though. Thank you. Kind of shy, bro. It's my first time putting down a camera and recording myself like this. But hey, bro, to the ones that made it to this far, I'm trying to say is, what am I saying? What I'm trying to say is just thank you for stopping by. I don't know why it took me so long to say, but to the ones that made it this far into the video, thank you, bro. I hope you appreciate it. I hope you liked the video, bro. So slow. I mean, if you're this far into the video, bro, might as well subscribe. This video probably won't be that long because it's my first video and I don't really have any content to film. Because if I'm being honest, I got no idea what to do. Anyways, I don't know how to do an outro. So I hope you like the video. Whoever's seen this, have a good day. I'm just noticing while I'm editing the video, I had a big ass pimple on my forehead, bro. And fuck it though, I'll still upload it. Like I said earlier in the video, bro. Trying to step out of my comfort zone. Anyways, I hope you like the video. Peace.